Hello friends, today we discuss about MCQ in history. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Which one of the following parties was in power in the UK when India got independence? Options are Conservative Party, Labour Party, Liberal Party and Socialist Party. Right option is option number B, Labour Party. During the independence of India, Clement Richard Attlee from Labour Party was the Prime Minister of UK. He was the Prime Minister of UK from 1945 to 1951. Next question is who was the Prime Minister of England when India attained independence? Options are Winston Churchill, Clement Attlee, Harold MC Milan and none of these. Right option is option number B, Clement Attlee. So next question is the British government decided and declared to leave India by June 1948 in options are 1946, February 1947, April 1947 and June 1947. Right option is option number B, February 1947. Prime Minister of Britain Attlee declared in the House of Commons of February 20, 1947 that British will leave India before June 1948 after transferring power to Labour Party people. Attlee appointed Lord Mountbatten as the Viceroy of India in place of Wavell. Mountbatten initiated the efforts of power transfer in March 1947. Next question is the British monarch at the time of Indian independence was options are George V, George VI, King Edward VII, and none of the above. None of this. Right option is option number B, George uh, VI. George VI was the British monarch at the time of Indian independence. He was the King of the United Kingdom from 1946 until his death in 1952. Next question is Lord Mountbatten come to India as a viceroy along with specific instructions. Two options are balkanize the Indian subcontinent, keep India united if possible, accept Zinda's demand for Pakistan's persuade the Congress to accept partition. Right option is option number B, keep India united if possible. So next question is which plan become the platform of the Indian independence? Options are Cripps Mission's Wavell Plan, Mountbatten Plan, none of the above. Right option is option number C, Mountbatten Plan. Lord Mountbatten came to India in March 1947 with the purpose to give a complete independence to India. He decided 15 August 1947 as the date for the power transfer. He made a plan of partition of India under instructions of Attlee, which was considered as Mountbatten Plan. Next question is the Mountbatten Plan become the basis of four options are continuity of British rule, transfer of power, partition of the country, solution of the communal problems. Right option is option number C, partition of the country. So next question is the Mountbatten Plan June 1947 provided for a referendum in which of the following provinces? Options are Sindh, Balochistan, Northwest Frontier Province, and all of this. Right option is option number D, all of this. Sindh, Balochistan, Northwest Frontier Province, all are correct. So next question is the British Parliament passed the Indian Independence Act in options are January 1947, July 1947, August 1947, August 1946. Right option is option number B, July 1947. As per the Mountbatten Plan, British Parliament passed the Indian Independence Act on July 18, 1947. In this act, India and Pakistan were decided as two dominion states with effect from 15 August 1947. So next question is the Indian Independence Act 1947 come into force on options are July 4, 1947, July 10, 1947, July 18, 1947 and August 14, 1947. Right option is option number C, July 18, 1947. Next is the formula for transfer of sovereignty to India in 1947 was known